So you want to know how to fix unable to activate your iPhone. So what you'll notice is that it does say this iPhone cannot be activated because of the activation server is temporarily unavailable. So what this means is that Apple may be running into some issues, which means that you will need to try this later. But what you can try in the meantime to be able to fix this is make sure that you are fully connected to your Wi-Fi internet. So all you need to do is scroll down from the top right hand corner here, and you want to make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi or you're connected to mobile data, and you want to make sure that this is a stable connection. Now, if you do both of those but you are still getting the unable to activate option here, you may need to try and force restart your device by clicking the volume up, volume down and the lock button here until you see the device reset, and then you can then try the update again. Now, if none of these options work for you, what you will need to do is just simply try it again, or you will need to contact Apple support who will be able to assist you in activating your device. So it's just that simple, guys. I hope this video did help you out, and I will see you in the next one.